Graph the following inequality: x plus y is greater than or equal to 8. First of all, we find the coordinates of x and y. So we can say this is x, this is y. When x is -1, y is 9. When x is 0, y is 8. When x is 1, y is 7. When x is 8, y is 0. Then we use this sketch to draw. We use these coordinates, these points, to draw our sketch. So our sketch can look like something like this one here. Our sketch. When we draw our sketch, we are going to end up with something like this here. It will look like that. Then we test the different points. We test the different coordinates to find out the region that satisfy the given inequality. So we can test points. This is point 10. This is point 10, 0. We can test it. Point 10, 0. We can test it. At point 10, 0, 10, 0, it means x is 10, y is 0. And we use this inequality, x plus y is greater or equal to 8. So when x is 10, this will be 10 plus y is 0. This is giving us 10. Is 10 greater or equal to 8? 10 is greater. 10 is greater than 8. 10 is greater than 8. So we can say that this point here, 10 is greater than 8. This region here satisfy our inequality. It satisfies our inequality. And this line is x plus y is equal to 8. And this line is unbroken. We can see that this line is unbroken because of the fact that x plus y is less or equal to 8. When it is equal to 8, then it means that it is unbroken. That's why we can see from here it is unbroken, because it is equal to 8 or greater. X plus y is greater than 8. So this region satisfies our inequality. We can test another point or another coordinate. We can test. This is x, y. This is x is 1. We can test here. This point here. We can test this point here, where x is 1 and y is 1. This point here, x is 1, y is 1. So we can also test this point to find out if that region also satisfies our inequality. So x is 1, y is 1. Our equation, our inequality is x plus y is greater x plus y is greater or equal to 8. So when we take the points x is 1, y is 1, is giving us a 2. Is 2 greater or equal to 8? Is 2 greater? Is it greater or equal to 8? 2 cannot be greater or equal to 8. So this point here, point 11, does not satisfy this our inequality. Point 11. Point 11 does not satisfy our inequality. So we can say that this other side, we are going to set this other side because it does not satisfy our inequality. So this region does not satisfy our inequality. X plus y is greater or equal to 8. But the region that satisfy our inequality is this other side. So we will take this other side is a region that satisfy our inequality. Thank you for watching.